Okay, we're over here on the other side of the yard. And now this is the Asian Japanese honeysuckle. It's done bloomed for the year. Blooms have come and went. Now the native honeysuckle's just now starting to bloom good. But these blooms came early, and you can tell that Asian honeysuckle when you cut a branch, and it's got a hollow center to it. Pithy, real pithy. And like I said, if it's a honeysuckle bush, shrub, or tree, then it's Asian and it's an invasive species. The native honeysuckle only vines like a grapevine. So that's how you can tell them apart.